Here we have a Guardian air conditioner I filmed a while back in March. And this is located at a bank. It's got a Panasonic compressor. I thought it was a Millennium, but I think it's a Panasonic. So this looks like a lot like Andrew's Guardian unit, but this is smaller. It's from 2007. That's a 1.5 ton. It's a straight cool unit. It's got micro channel on it, and I do not think this one has been running for all these years. But yeah, this is a pretty interesting unit. So yeah, I guess thanks for watching.